Hi everyone, greetings from joylot.com. I'll be demonstrating Vuarnet sunglasses model legend VL002F. Color code 0001. The color of the frame is black and the lenses are pure gray. They have an oval shape. On its temples you'll find the Vuarnet logo, and it can also be found on its bridge. These glasses are also foldable. 55 is for its lenses, 19 is for its bridge, and 144 is for its temple. The glasses come with a box, a case which color and style may vary, and a cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.